Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek, and today I wanted to show you the Sunshine Ligustrum. This is a privet, and it is considered semi-deciduous, so if we get really cold in the winter, it will drop some of its leaves, but for the most part, this is what you get year-round. The more sun it's in, the more yellow it is. But you can see how it really brightens up under here, where it's really shady. And this just makes a really good accent in your garden. This will get about, it'll say 3 to 6 feet, which means you can keep it at 3 feet if you want to, or you can let it get its full height. And it gets about 3 to 4 feet wide. It's hardy to zone 6, so you don't have to worry too much about any of our winters here. And this plant just does great. It can be a hedge, it can be a border, it can be a foundation plant against your house. And what's nice is that it really pairs well with something like the Lorapetalum that you can see here. And this is actually what I have at my house. Sunshine Ligustrum is my foundation plant, and these are in front. And it makes such a nice contrast and really shows off your garden. So come on down to Cold Creek and we'll help you pick out a Sunshine Ligustrum.